At a recent rally with senior citizens in Florida, President Donald Trump again said the end of the coronavirus pandemic is near and the development of a vaccine close at hand.
My message to America's seniors today is one of optimism, confidence, and hope. Your sacrifice has not been in vain. The light at the end of the tunnel is near. We are rounding the turn.
Democratic rival Joe Biden continues to charge the president is downplaying the pandemic as U.S. COVID cases rise.
Turn the corner. My Lord. It's not disappearing. In fact, it's on the rise again.
The pandemic has caused 220 deaths in the U.S., according to Johns Hopkins University, as well as an economic recession and to some degree displaced traditional ideological issues that dominated past elections. Experts say free trade, immigration, health care, climate change, abortion rights, and gun control have all been overshadowed by the pandemic.
Those have been supplanted in part by COVID-19. They still exist, but this is like a new issue that didn't exist before, and now is one of the leading issues that defines where the candidates are and how people vote.
The Trump administration's response to the pandemic has become a partisan issue, with Republicans opposing strict economic lockdowns to contain the virus and emphasizing the rights of the individual over mandates to wear masks and social distance.
Whether it's discussions around masks or discussions around the level in which the government should be or shouldn't be involved in public safety or in other elements of our lives, but we're seeing that play out right now.
By contrast, Biden and Democrats urge collective responsibility to bring down the infection rate and allow normal business activity to resume. With a significant lead in presidential polls, Biden remains focused on making the election a referendum on Trump's handling of the pandemic, while the Trump campaign highlights America's robust pre-pandemic economy and promises a swift recovery after the pandemic ends. Brian Padden, VOA News, Washington.